Welcome to Joyfully Unstoppable, the podcast for women who are ready to lead boldly, live lightly, and reclaim their joy. Whether you're leading a team, a classroom, a boardroom, or your own big, beautiful life, I am so glad you found us. I'm your host, Becky Ham, leadership coach, speaker, and founder of Women Lead Well. And after years of high-level leadership, I discovered that success does not have to come at the cost of your peace, your values, or your well-being. Each week, we'll explore what it means to lead with clarity, confidence, and authenticity, even in a world that tells you gotta hustle harder and prove your worth. You carry a lot. Let's help it feel lighter. This show is for women who feel like they're carrying too much, women who get things done, but quietly wonder if they're doing enough. If that's you, welcome. You're in exactly the right place. Let's start with the heart behind this podcast. For years, I led from a place of performance. I checked all the boxes, I hit the goals, and I looked like I had it all together. People looked up to me. But inside, I was exhausted. I was constantly overfunctioning, trying to prove that I belonged. I silenced my intuition, I ignored my body, and I twisted myself into what I thought others wanted me to be. And you'll be shocked to learn that eventually I burned out. Badly. And that was my turning point. I realized that leadership doesn't have to feel so heavy. I realized that you can be excellent and still exhale. You can be strategic and soft. You can lead with strength and joy. In fact, you were made to. And that's what Joyfully Unstoppable is all about. Reclaiming your joy, your voice, and your way of leading. Leadership that is joyful, sustainable, and authentic. So here's what you can expect from this podcast. Each week, I'll bring you short, powerful episodes to help you lead boldly, live lightly, and reclaim your joy. And when I say short, I'm talking 10 minutes. These are little morsels of encouragement because come on, we do enough deep dives. Sometimes you just want a little nourishment. We'll talk about overcoming imposter syndrome, navigating leadership without losing your soul, releasing the pressure to prove, reconnecting with what actually matters most to you. We'll regulate our nervous systems, reprogram some limiting beliefs, and give ourselves permission to show up exactly as we are. Because ladies, we are freaking amazing. Think of this as your weekly reset, a place to drop the pressure, remember who you are, and move forward from a place of peace. Here's my promise to you. The show won't be filled with fluff, hustle talk, or cookie cutter advice. I ain't corporate, I ain't HR. I'm a woman who has been there, come out the other side, and wants to help other women do the same. The show will be honest, actionable, and always encouraging. I will never tell you to just try harder. Instead, I'll remind you that you're already enough, and I'll help you lead from that place. So when you think of Joyfully Unstoppable, think always compassionate, never corporate. Now, if we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Becky. I've spent over a decade in senior leadership positions, leading large matrix teams, impacting hundreds of thousands of clients. But for a long time, I led from fear and people-pleasing. It wasn't until I really learned to ground into my own values, to regulate my nervous system, and to trust my voice that I finally felt free. And now I help other women do the same through coaching, courses, and now this podcast. So, here's your invitation. In our next episode, we will dive into a topic near and dear to my heart, joy. What robs our joy as leaders and what we can do to reclaim our joy today. You won't want to miss it. If today's episode resonates with you, here's how you can support the show. Follow Joyfully Unstoppable wherever you get your podcasts. Leave us a review. That helps other women find us. Share this podcast with a friend who leads and loves big, but might be feeling a little too heavy right now. And if you'd like more support, check out womenleadwell.net for free resources and coaching opportunities. My friend, you were never meant to carry it all. You don't have to hustle for your worth. You do not have to trade your joy for impact. You're allowed to lead your way. This is your season to feel lighter, to lead well, and to become joyfully unstoppable. Thanks for being here. Talk to you next time.